We're at the Sheets in Troop, Pennsylvania, or Dunmore, Pennsylvania, whatever, and came across another hand truck Sentry system on a Verrastro Freightliner CNG truck, which is compressed natural gas. So these are one of the green energy trucks, and the hand truck Sentry system, that's been on that truck for many years, and this is actually a truck that comes on the road up in this area to deliver convenience stores and some taverns. So long story short, we're going to be talking to Rick Williamson from I think White Mills. We're here with Rick Williamson from LT Verrastro, and he's a Coors Light, well, he's actually a Coors and Twisted Tea driver, but this is the Coors Light truck. And Rick's driving a Freightliner M2 CNG truck, one of those clean energy trucks that Verrastro's invested in. It was excellent fuel mileage and etc., and it keeps the carbon footprint down for the business. And Rick is actually doing his last round of deliveries at Sheet Store
for the day.
For the day, for here.
That takes care of that.
Sounds good. And we are here with Rick Williamson of LT Verrastro, a Coors Light and multi-product distributor driver, P&D driver. And Rick is here with our hand truck Sentry system. He's had it since 2019, he said?
6 years.
Yeah, 6 years. And he's actually, he's been a Pepsi Cola driver as well. Rick, I'm just going to ask you a couple questions that bug the hell out of you, get you on your way.
Sure.
Okay, you have the hand truck Sentry system. You like it. Can you tell us why you like it?
It's almost impossible to forget it.
Right.
It basically turns your hand truck into a hood ornament. It's always in front of you.
Right. Have you ever turned the key to go and it remind you of forgetting your hand truck?
No. You never forgot the hand truck.
Okay, so ease of use, no problem?
Yeah, really.
All kinds of weather, no problem?
Yeah, always works.
Let me rephrase that question. Has it ever reminded you that you forgot your hand truck?
Ever reminded me I forgot my hand truck? Well, the thing's glowing red in there, so it's kind of hard to miss.
So the dash switch does work, and it does tell you you're forgetting it.
Yes.
That's a good thing, too. But anyway, just thank you for the nice words, and it's great meeting you. And let's see how you slap the hand truck into the hand truck Sentry system.
Real easy.
Yep, rock it on and go.
Slide on the bottom there, push it in.
That's it.
Done and done.
Done and done. Rick, thanks for your time. I appreciate it. And thanks for LT Verrastro for being a supportive customer of HTS-SYS. And you have a great day.
Thanks a lot, bro.